Next week it's okay to sleep with a monkey. Because why people say it? No, you're gonna step back. No, I have a sound reasoning. I have natural inclination. The big questions: why I'm here? What is my purpose? Why do I have to die? Am I here just like animals, eat and drink and have sex? That's the big questions. And these questions, you never hear it in new liberalism. You hear it in the scripture which Allah sent down to His Prophet Muhammad.
I agree, and I've read the scripture. I've done, you know what I'm saying? In terms of the guide, in terms of the scripture, I believe it to be more of a guide than as like a rule book. Do you know what I'm saying?
It's a guideline for us.
It is definitely a guide. You know what I'm saying? It's something that should be followed, but something is in terms
sorry
of
to cut you. I don't wanna. So you believe in God?
Yeah. No,
because I was speaking to you, then I jumped to you. You believe there is higher being. So logic dictates, in order for us to know what is right, what is wrong, we should believe. We should follow who? The Most High.
We should follow him, but I feel
okay.
You
wait. I have respect. You wait. No, before. Yeah, you wait. No problem. You wait. Listen, I'm here every.
I don't know why you're here today.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay, you have to let me finish. Yeah, I'll tell you. Allow me to finish. So before that, because you believe in the Creator, so I'm saying, look, if I made the phone from scratch, if you want to know about the phone in details, who do you come to? You come to me because I made it from scratch. Logically speaking, if we should know what is good for us in detail, what is bad for us in details, we should go back to the Most High, because He knows. Because the Most High will not teach you today it's okay to do evil thing, tomorrow is not okay, the day after. You understand? It will give you what? An objective criteria. Because you don't follow society because they're doing it. If tomorrow society say it's okay to sleep with your mother, as a man believe in the Creator, you step back. No, I'm not sheep. I'm not going to follow society because they're doing it. Do you know how they're doing it? They are using two tools: the educational system and the social media, to manipulate us and to believe something for a million years we believe is wrong, to make us believe is right. As a man, we have to step back. No, she asked me a question. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay, if you're not aware, this called Speaker's Corner. I've been coming here since 2005. That means I've been coming here 16 years, every Sunday. So I come here to teach the people.
It's not related to this.
No, I don't even know. So I come here to call people about God.
Are you okay with what's happening behind you?
I'm not. No. Firstly, do you accept it? I don't accept it. But I'm not a man of authority to change it. Because I'm a man of honor. I don't follow Allah. I don't follow society. If society tell me tomorrow to sleep with a monkey, I'm gonna sleep with a monkey. No, I'm a man of intellect. I step back. Now, is it objectively right or wrong? The Most High teach us in the Quran, in the Bible, likewise, that man sleeping with another man is wrong. How I do it, I don't have. Listen. How I do it, when I meet a gay or a lesbian, I don't attack them. I speak to them intellectual way. Why, as a Muslim, I believe is wrong. With respect, have a nice discussion. That's why we do. That's why I speak. It's corner for.
thought you were just here just because of this. That's
No. I'm here. We are here every Sunday. I'm not gonna understand. But so you believe it's wrong?
No, I don't believe it's wrong. I think you're right.
No. Wait.
What you're saying is that you can't. You don't
one by one,
agree
yeah,
with
one by
it,
one.
You can't agree with it.
No, I'm saying
you can't change it.
No problem. What I'm saying to you, I'm not asking you to change it. You and I, we're not people of authority. And Islam teach me, if you're not an authority, don't change something with your hand, because you can cause more harm. You understand? So I believe it's wrong without any doubt. However, I'm not going to go there, start attacking them or killing them. None of that. No, I can speak to them rationally, logically, why it's wrong. You said people can do whatever they wish. Okay, so therefore be consistent, yeah? You said people can do whatever they wish. So if
in terms of who they love,
okay, if a man, no problem. If a man loves his mother and he was to marry her, would you be okay with that?
Do you know what? I wouldn't be okay with it.
No. Is it? No. Would you accept it? No. I'm not saying. I'm not. No.
I wouldn't be okay with it, but it's their choice. My opinion means nothing.
You know what they say?
But they can do what they
They
want.
say if you are tolerant about everything, you have nothing to stand for.
What do you mean?
Meaning that if you say, as long as they're not harming no one, they have their choice. No.
Yeah, if no one's harming anyone, they can do what they want.
That's what I'm saying. So if a man sleeping with his sister or with his daughter,
personally, I'd think that was. But if the two people were agreeing with it, then what can I do?
So I'm not saying you change it, but do you believe it's wrong?
Of course, I believe it's wrong.
Yeah, of course.
But you can't compare a mother sleeping with her son to somebody being gay.
No, I'm not talking about that. Okay, why was right? Why was wrong 1,000 years? Why was wrong 200 years ago? Why it's right now? Because both of them are adults. The women, they're adults, and they love one another. So there's no harm with that, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. If a man, he's adult, his mother, she's an adult, they love one another, would that make it okay?
It wouldn't be okay, but what can I do about it?
I'm not asking you, is it okay or not?
It's not
That's
okay.
not asking
it's
you.
not okay.
That's what I'm saying to you. Look, sister.
what
Look,
can
look.
you do about
I know
it?
doubt about that, but I'm saying to you, look. We don't have to harm no one, okay? But we have to stand for our beliefs. We have to stand for our principles. We don't be like sheep because they're doing it. No, I believe it's wrong. But
It's not being a sheep. If they do it, they do it. You don't have to do it.
no, but you say no problem. Me personally, I don't accept it. I believe it's wrong, as I've stated many times. Gay came to me. Love gay, not love. Few gay people came to me. They said, we do watch your video, Shamsi, and we like it. You see? So because why? They notice, when I speak to a gay or lesbian, I have a discussion with the transgender, yeah? When I was speaking to the person, I didn't attack the person. I said, look, there is God. If you believe in there is God, so the logic dictates the only one who knows about us and the perfect way to follow is God's teaching. You understand? So that's how I speak to them. But I have to stand for my belief. I'm not going to back down because society change. Society can change whatever they like. You understand? That's my point. My point, when there is no God, sorry, what's your name? If there is no God, then there is no right or wrong.
Listen, I didn't say I did not believe in God. I said I don't believe in the ideology that God makes of this society. They say it's an old man, he wears robes.
I don't believe that too.
I don't believe that.
I don't believe that too.
Personally, I believe there's a higher power, but I don't believe it's necessarily a person. I believe it's power of us, of guiding, of existence, of history that is guiding us to a higher place.
Yeah.
I don't think that it's one person that's controlling all of our movement.
Let's analyze that. Power is an attribute. It does not exist by itself. Power has to be embodied in something else. So we say as a Muslim, there's a creator. We say the creator has a power, has ability, has a will, and has a wisdom, and you can see the attributes, yeah? Look, I've never seen the person who made the camera. I've never seen him, yeah? It's not conditional for me to come to know logically that someone made it by observing the person who made it. By analyzing the camera, looking, there's a menu, there's a guideline. Are you listening, yeah? Are you listening? Hello?
Yeah, I am, but she called me. We have to be somewhere.
This is more important than your friend, trust me.
I know.
It's about life and death, you know?
Yeah.
Seriously, I really appreciate your time. So what I'm saying to you, that... 1 second! Come. But anyway, because you're in a rush, what I would say to you, look, we believe, so about, just quick thing, yeah? About the camera. Analyzing the camera, I can see guideline, menu, therefore someone made it. You are more complicated, more designed, more perfect in a way than the camera. Therefore, logic dictates you must have a creator. Likewise, this beautiful creation, tremendous creation. That's why in the Quran, you know what Allah said? Allah said, within the creation of the heavens and the earth, the alteration of day and night, it is a sign for people of understanding. Think about it.
I'm blessed.
I can't shake hands.
Okay, then don't. That's you.
No, let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Because I don't want to feel...
I don't want to hear you. You spoke enough. I don't want to hear you. And the things that you say...
I don't want to hear you as well.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm joking. Go on. No, I'm joking.
My blessings, you don't get...
No, go on. You want to say something? Go on, I'm joking.
Nothing. I was going to wish you all my blessings.
Thank you very much.
We agree.
No problem.
We agree with you. You need to understand people have got their own opinion.
I didn't say they have...
You guys, I agree with you to a certain extent. Like, we're with you.
So you believe in God?
Of course I believe
You worship God?
Of course.
Why are you Christian?
No, my dad is Muslim. But this is the thing. My dad is Muslim. My mom is a Christian.
So what are you?
I've grown up living with my dad, Muslim girl, I'm Christian.
So what are you?
I believe there's a God. I don't know enough to say who I believe. I don't know about stuff.
Let me give you an example, yeah? If you want to buy a gift for your mother, let her.
You've got to go back first.
Take care. Look after yourself.
You too.
Have a nice weekend.